Hello everyone, I am our teacher from Srimati R.S. Kalaria Primary School. Today I will teach you Environment Studies, lesson number 7, I love Gujarat. We all are living in Gujarat state. In Gujarat state there are many districts, almost 33 districts. In lesson number 4 we have already learned in our Gujarat there are many historical places, monuments, zoos, etc. Today we will learn about migratory birds. What is migratory birds? Migratory birds is a bird that travel from one place to another at regular times, often over long distance. Now the birds which migrate, they come from other country and they travel from one place to another. Now today we will discuss about flamingo. Let's start. Lesson number 7, that is I love Gujarat. It is a flamingo. Every year it migrates to Gujarat. Now flamingo comes from other country and they migrate to Gujarat. Flamingo is a state bird of Gujarat. Flamingo is a bird which comes from foreign countries. Along with flamingo, other birds also come. Birds coming from foreign countries are known as migratory birds. Now flamingo, every year it comes in Gujarat state and it is also said that it is a state bird of Gujarat. Many other birds also come to visit our state, and flamingo other birds are also come to visit in our country. Birds coming from foreign country are known as migratory birds. The birds which come from other country, that birds are known as migratory birds. In winter season it comes in other country. Flamingos are a large bird and it is identified by their long neck, stick-like legs and pink or reddish feathers. Flamingos have a famous for its habit of standing on one leg. Do you know that flamingo is a national bird of Bahamas? As our national bird is peacock, same the Bahamas national bird is flamingo. It takes flamingos about 3 years to get their pink and red feathers. There are 6 different species of flamingos found in a location ranging from the Caribbean Sea and South America to Africa, India and Mediterranean Sea. Every year, millions of greater and small flamingos migrate from Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. During the colder times of the year, many of great flamingo in Asia, the highest number of flamingos flock from November to June. Other places to watch flamingo near Mumbai, Chilka Lake, Orissa, Rajasthan, etc. Other birds also migrate. They are bustard bird, eastern imperial eagle, etc. Now Chinkara, come brother, you are welcome in Gujarat. I will show you the desert of Kutch. Now here the conversation of flamingo and Chinkara, they say to each other that, come brother flamingo, Chinkara is welcoming to flamingo. Flamingo, here more quantity of salt is produced, isn't it? Now flamingo is asking to Chinkara that here more production is of salt, am I right? Yes, more than a half of a total production of the salt of our country is produced in a small desert of Kutch. Now Chinkara is telling to flamingo that yes, it is right. More than a total half of a production is done in the Kutch of desert. In addition to the Kandla harbour, located in the Bay of Kutch, is the second largest harbour of a country. International trade is promoted here. Now it is said that Kandla harbour is located in the Bay of Kutch and it is the second largest harbour of our country. International trade is promoted here. It means that many import-export business is also done in Kandla. Now how Chinkara looks like. Chinkara, also known as Indian weasel, it has a reddish buff summer coat with a smooth glossy fur. Chinkara live in plains and hilly regions, desert, dry scrub and light forest. They can go without water for a long periods. From the city of Bhuj, various wildlife conservation area of the Kutch district can be visited, such as Indian Wildlife Sanctuary, Kutch Desert Wildlife, Narayan Sarovar, Kutch, Bustard, etc. Harbour means what? A place on the coast where ships in shelter. Now Kutch is a seasonal salt which is produced there. In every winter they produce salt in a raw material. Flamingo. Fine, today you have introduced me, Kutch to me. I have to see entire Gujarat. I will leave now. Bye bye. Now Flamingo is telling to Chinkara that it want to see the whole Gujarat, and Chinkara introduced to Kutch. Now Flamingo goes to other place, that is, now Flamingo has reached to Periyodhan Island of Jamnagar district located in a Bay of Kutch. Now Flamingo reached to Periyodhan Island. In Periyodhan Island, it is of 42 islands which compose the Marine National Park. India's first national park, that is Marine, cross under the Jamnagar district which is located in a Bay of Kutch. In National Marine Park, there are various features like starfish, jellyfish, bluefish, etc. and many other aquatic plants also, such as coral reef, mangroves, etc. Flamingos. Yes, dolphin, we are a bird from cold region, but during winter we come to Gujarat. Now flamingo do conversation with dolphin. Flamingo says to dolphin that we are the birds, we come from a cold region and during winter they come to Gujarat. Abadasa of Kutch means large town of flamingo. In Abadasa of Kutch, we can see there are numbers of flamingos in that region. This time we thought of visiting Gujarat, hence we came here. Now flamingo says to dolphin that this time we want to visit Gujarat, so we came here. Dolphin, come with me and see here are the coral reef. Now dolphin says to flamingo that come with me, I will show you the island and I will show you the coral reef, that is a creature which lives in aquatic plants. There are starfish, jellyfish and dollfish like me. In that marine park, there are many creatures such as starfish, jellyfish, dolphin, crab, etc. are in that island. Even sea cucumber, tortoise and octopus are also here. Dolphin is the national aquatic animal of our country. Now, lion. Welcome lion. Flamingo, do you live here? Flamingo is asking to lion that do you live here? Lion, yes, we are found only in a deep forest in Gujarat, in entire Asia. Now lion is telling to flamingo that we are only lions that live in entire Asia. Gir forest is the only sanctuary for Asiatic lions in entire Asia. Flamingo, what is a sanctuary? Lion, a protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can be protected and breed is known as sanctuary. Now flamingo is asking to the lion that what is sanctuary. Lion explains very well that protected region, in a protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and they can increase their numbers, that is known as sanctuary. Now flamingo goes to Ginnar. There are other hills also in Gujarat other than Pavagadh in Vindhyachal hill, ranges in Panchmahal, Arasu in Aravali ranges of Banaskantha, Satpura in Satpura ranges of Dang district and Satluj in Bhavnagar. There are many large hills in Gujarat. Now flamingo goes to Girnar, and flamingo sees other hills of Gujarat. The other hills, we can say that Pavagadh in Vindhyachal hill ranges, in Panchmahal. There are many other hills we can see in Gujarat, such as Aravalli ranges, Satpura in Satpura ranges of Dang district, and Satrujana in Bhavnagar district. There is a big center of a fishery in Verawal along the long coastal region of Gujarat. Verawal is a big center for fishery. The business of fish is done there, and fish is catch with the help of gill net. Flourishing is a huge business of a brick ships swirling in Alam port in a Bhavnagar district. Flourishing means that develop of a huge business. Brick ships, that is a destroy or damaged ships, or you can say scrap of the ships. Bamboo, sag, adrova, sesame and timber trees grow in the forest of Dang. These all trees are grown in the forest of Dang, and we can use these trees as in a furniture. Building wood of teak is produced in a huge quantity. The wood of teak is also produced in a huge quantity. Entire Dang district mostly is the forest region. Now the Dang district is mostly of forest region. Beautiful botanical garden of Vagai and Gira Fall are also there. There is a very beautiful garden also there, and Vagai and Gira Fall is located in Dang district. Satpura of a Dang district is the only hill station of Gujarat. Gujarat is a region of many rivers. Now in Gujarat there are many rivers, but the Narmada river is the biggest river. Other rivers are Sabarmati, Tapi and Mahsagar are also big rivers in Gujarat, but the biggest river, that is Narmada. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the Narmada river. By this irrigation scheme, water is supplied to many regions of Gujarat. Water is supplied up to Kutch. Now irrigation, that is the supply of water to the land, or we can say crops to the help to grow. Now the irrigation, with the irrigation scheme, water is supplied in many regions. It is also supplied up to the Kutch. This dam is also used to generate electricity. Dam and bridge both are constructed on river. Now we will see the difference between dam and bridge. Dam is constructed on a river to collect its water. In dam, the all rainwater is collected. Bridge is made to cross the river from one bank to another. Bridge is to cross the place from one to other. Now the flamingo flew from Narmada river and reached Gandhinagar, capital of Gujarat, visiting Amar Devy of Anand and Kannadam of Mahsagar. Now flamingo flew from the Narmada river and reached Gandhinagar, that is the capital of Gujarat. Now the Gandhinagar is the greenest city among all other cities, and the ashram temple is located, Akshardham temple is located in Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the city of Gujarat, possessing highest number of trees. Gandhinagar is the city of greenest city. Why? Because there are many number of trees. The flamingo also visited Indora Park and Mahatma Mandir. From there, it went Ahmedabad, situated on the bank of Sabarmati river. Now Indora Park is the which houses the fossil remains and petrified eggs. The park is only dinosaurs museum in the country. Petrified means to convert into stones or stony substance. And Gandhi Ashram, that is Mahatma Mandir. On his return, means Mahatma Gandhi, when he returned from South Africa, Gandhiji's first ashram in India was established, and it's now monument to Gandhi's life mission. This is Gandhi Ashram. Jai Ho Gandhi Babu. Wow! Kakaria Lake also looks very beautiful. In Kakaria Lake we can find many multiple tourist sports like zoo, kids city, to toy train, hot air balloon ride, entertainment attraction are we can see around the lake. Other famous attraction especially for kids, that is Balvatika Garden. It is specially for child park vibe with many activities for kids. Nal Sarovar is a bird sanctuary situated between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar. Now there is one bird sanctuary we can see. It is situated between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar. In Nal Sarovar, we can mainly inhabited by migratory birds in winter season and also in spring season. It has the largest bird sanctuary in Gujarat. There are more than 200 species of birds in the winter season and variety of plants and animals. We can see also including wild ash, blackbird, its migratory birds population including pelicans, flamingos, white strokes, etc. And in monsoon season, millions of birds visit the bird sanctuary, and in winter and spring season they stay there. Birds like pelicans, lizard flamingos, etc. we can see in the winter season. On the onset of winter, different type of foreign birds are seen here. Onset of winter means in the beginning of the season, we can see that many birds from foreign countries come and stay there till winter's season, and we can see in the evening that birds visit. We can see early morning also we spot the birds, and in evening. I enjoy Gujarat, enjoy a lot. I love Gujarat. Now flamingo has visited in Gujarat and it loved Gujarat state. Flamingo, they flew and visited many districts such as Kutch, Jamnagar, Porbandar, Junagadh, Gir, then Bhavnagar, Valsad, Bharuch, Banaskantha, Aravali, Ahmedabad. These all places that visited. Thank you. Hope you have understood the whole lesson.